Welcome everybody, Von Scheller Family Experience. Cameron and I are here with his brand new 2020 Honda CRF110F. That's right, the brand new 2020 bike. This bike has been a hot bike, man. Everybody's been trying to get it, they've been wanting it. And his cousin actually got one and he jumped on it and did awesome on it. So he moved up from the CRF50 to the 110.
Skipped 65.
Yeah, we kind of skipped a couple bikes in between there, but this bike has been awesome. He's already done a few laps on it. He, at least, you know, his cousin Deegan got the bike before him. His cousin does awesome, rips it really good on bikes. So he got to try it out on him.
And we rode this like the day after we bought it.
Yeah, so the day after we bought it, we rode it. It's just, once the boys get a little bit bigger, they kind of get to a point on the little bikes where they just have to progress. So it's just, you got to move them up, especially when we had them on the PW, the little Yamaha PW50. Those bikes, their power band on them is really difficult for kids. They're just kind of so gutless, they just don't want to go. And when Cameron moved up from the from the PW50 to the CRF50, he rode so much better. He progressed so much faster, and same thing. We got the 110F here, CRF110F, and he did so much better. He's standing up on it, attacking the corners, and riding really good. So this bike's got electric start. It's got fuel injection, which pretty much nowadays, if you're gonna buy a new bike and it doesn't have fuel injection or any motorsports, they just got to get with the times. Our snowmobiles have had fuel injection for 20 years. Kawasaki and Yamaha, both their 110s don't have fuel injection. And this has electric start and it has kick start as well.
But the kickstart won't last very long.
So he can practice kick starting because, you know, not all bikes might not have an electric start when you start getting into some bigger bikes. So Cameron, what can you say about the bike?
So it's on the other one, when I tried like always standing up, it like I couldn't like stand up because the bike would always like turn when I tried standing
So when you stood up, it just kind of wanted to hook to one side or the other. And this one you're just a lot more confident on, which is interesting because the CRF50 that we have has some pro tapers on it. So they are a little bit bigger bars than stock, but he just wasn't real confident on it once we got up on it. So Cameron is 8 years old. How much do you weigh?
I weigh 58 pounds.
So he's 8 years old, 58 pounds, riding this Honda CRF110F. Big shout out to the guys down at Modesto Honda, KTM, Kawasaki, all that. Those guys hooked us up. Cousin Deegan bought his bike down there. And so now Corbin, Cameron's little brother, my youngest, he is now moved up from the PW50 up to the CRF50 and ripping it on the little 50. So, and as you can kind of see in the background, Dad's got his KTM 350 back there. That's my bike. We'll do another video on that and talk about that new 2020 KTM 350s. So that's kind of the reasoning why we got the 110. Really excited. Gonna go out and do some riding this weekend, but just kind of to give you our thoughts and our review on the bike. And if you're looking to get a bike for your kid, we highly recommend it, man. It's an awesome bike. Make sure you hit like, hit subscribe, leave us a comment, and check out our next video. It's going to be all about putting a new pipe on this sucker. So we're going to put a pipe on it and do a little sound check comparison and maybe add a little more horsepower to it, huh?
Yeah, Papa said 2 or 3.
Yeah, so get a few more horsepower in it. So get out there and ride, get outside and enjoy. Thanks for watching.